looking up.
That chair. You gotta go on timeout right there.
Joel's trying to get the ultimate shot.
He's like, man, this is a dream of mine to ride my dirt bike at Delaney projects all my life.
Did you get the ultimate?
Working on it.
My dream just came true.
Rushing me. Don't be rushing
Right,
me.
right.
I hear you, man.
This is America. This ain't Russia. Why you rushing? What's
I
up, brother?
I like that, man. Man, why you rushing, man?
Right,
It's America.
It's America.
Man, Nelly said that
I was
shit
just
in
gonna say, it's like you never heard Nelly before.
I haven't. Maybe.
On the way, on the way to,
Spotlight Steelers.
hey, today on the way to McDonald's,
I love you, man.
I was Russian. But when I got in there, I was European.
What happened at McDonald's?